Maybe one reason people avoid Revelation is because there is so much about judgment in the book. And let's be honest, that just makes us kind of uncomfortable. Maybe we think about people we know who haven't embraced Christ, and yet the idea that they would face judgment is painful to us. It's disconcerting to us. But Revelation's message about judgment should also be comforting to us, believe it or not. For one thing, judgment is presented in the book of Revelation as God rightly dealing with the evil in this world. I think of anyone who has been on the receiving end of injustice, of abuse, of violence. This should make you long for what's presented in the book of Revelation in terms of God's justice coming on this earth. For anyone who ever says, why doesn't God do something about the evil and suffering in the world? Revelation is the answer. It tells us right now, He is at work even now in partial ways, doing a work of judgment. But you can be sure that wrongs in this world will not go unpunished. You can release vengeance to God because you know a day of vengeance is coming. And the beautiful thing about justice in Revelation is that we're told over and over again, we get to actually hear believers in heaven. They're not embarrassed by God's judgment. Instead, they're celebrating it. And they celebrate specifically, they say his judgment is just and it's altogether righteous. You know, you and I experience a lot of perversions of justice in this world. And the good news of Revelation is that justice is going to be done by one who is perfectly just and perfectly righteous. But let me just add the best reason that we want to look at judgment in the book of Revelation, and that is the hope and promise that is held out to all of those who have taken hold of Christ by faith. The message of Revelation over and over again is not that judgment is going to fall, but instead that you will be protected in the judgment. Over and over again, we see the people of God, they are sealed, they are marked. What are they sealed or marked for? They are marked for protection. It presents us this picture of being protected forever by our shepherd, who is also the Lamb.